afternoon, folks. Sorry I'm a little behind on things. I'm actually not behind. I was actually waiting for a while to do this video because I've been waiting to see what else is going to happen with the arrival of the coronal mass ejection. According to spaceweather.com, CME has arrived almost exactly on time at 3:15 instead of 11 p.m. on the 22nd to midnight, which basically means it's 3 hours and 15 minutes late. Yeah, arrive 3 hours and 15 minutes late to a party. You'll miss the whole thing. The impact did spark a minor G1 class geomagnetic storm with auroras in some northern tier U.S. states like Michigan, Minnesota, Maine, stuff like that. At about midnight, I noticed a familiar light purple vertical glow to the east, reports Greg Ash of Ely, Minnesota. It was Steve. So you can kind of see the purplish hue here. We're going to get past. Okay, Steve is actually not an aurora. The purple colored arc is a glow from a supersonic river of gas. Oh my gosh, here we go with gases again. Which flows through Earth's magnetosphere during the geomagnetic storms, short for strong thermal emission velocity enhancement. Steve is a relatively recent discovery. Oh, so they actually gave it a name and they call it Steve. It's swamp gas reflecting off of Venus. Oh my gosh. Okay, Men in Black. Let's see, let's go on down here. Earth is now passing through the CME wake. NOAA forecasters say that more G1 class storms are possible with a chance of category 2, which is moderate, or even 3, which is strong storms, in the hours ahead. High latitude sky watchers should remain alert for auroras at this time. Now, we can come down here. I mean, you guys can come in. You guys can do some more of this reading if you want. But I'll be honest with you, I think it's over. Because I'm over here looking at Aurora Watch. Now, this is spaceweatherlive.com. And once you come to spaceweatherlive.com, you can come up here and you can go to solar activity, and you can come down and you can see different tools. I came here to auroral activity. Pop on you hit the first one right here, auroral activity, which is where I'm at, and you can see up to date. This is like about every 15 minutes this gets updated, our KP index, and this one gets done I think every 15 to 20 minutes. And as you can see from the northern hemispheric power, it is decreasing. So I think it's done. I mean, we're only at 13 gigawatts of power. Okay, high latitude, 80%, which is severe. This is for today. This is their forecast. Middle, active, minor, severe for middle latitude, which is much closer to the Earth. That's what we're looking at here. Saturday showing a possibility of still a KP6, which would be geomagnetic 2, a G2 level event, and with a possibility of a G3. Well, I'm not seeing that, folks. I think it's done. Because right here is when we actually had the actual immediate slam up, and in my video last night, I was saying that, this is just the front of it. I didn't think it was going to be this weak. I'm not going to lie, this is weak sauce, if that's it. And this is why I've been waiting, because I've been waiting for it to actually, more of it to arrive with more density. But as we can see here, I mean, we're not in any kind of event. We're fully recovered. I mean, our density just bounced just a little bit and then flattened out. Speed bumped up. I mean, we actually did get pretty high, so that was pretty close. We got to 702, I think was the highest, 702. That's pretty high. Those are pretty high solar winds. And then we just came right back down, and now we're all the way back over here at what, 500, 528, 519. So yeah, we're doing 5. And then coming over here and checking out on SolarHam, taking a look at our KP index here, we can see that we got the smack, and then it just bloop, and it's been died down for over 6 hours now. I don't foresee anything else coming for it. I mean, we'll still keep our eyes open for it, but I think it's done. For those of you interested, today I'm doing a live premiere at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time, so that's in roughly an hour and a half from now. And it's the Psycho Clown World of where Figgy and I are actually doing a breakdown of this and of a video that was produced, but we actually break it down a little bit further and do more dot connections with movies, with tie-ins. So I definitely recommend coming over. Love to see you in the chat, and let's have it talk. Let me know what you guys think of it. So keep your eyes open, no fear, and remember that love is the only way forward. Solar Wolf out.